Investing in the stock market can be one of the fastest ways to build wealth, but only if you do it right. The truth is, many investors, especially beginners, make mistakes that cost them thousands, if not millions of dollars. In today's video, we'll uncover the 10 biggest stock market mistakes that could ruin your portfolio and how to avoid them. Make sure to watch until the end, because the last mistake is the most common, yet the most dangerous. Before we begin, hit that like button and subscribe to Investosphere for more expert investing tips. Have you ever made a costly investment mistake? Let me know in the comments below. Mistake 1. Investing without a plan. 1. Why it's a mistake. Many beginners jump into investing without a clear goal. Without a plan, you're likely to react emotionally to market fluctuations. 2. How to avoid it. Set clear financial goals. Decide on a strategy, long-term growth, dividends, or passive index investing. Do you have a solid investment plan, or are you just going with the flow? Mistake 2. Following hype and trends. 1. Why it's a mistake. Many investors buy stocks because of media hype or social media influencers. FOMO, fear of missing out, leads to poor decisions and losses. 2. How to avoid it. Do your own research before investing. Stick to fundamentals rather than hype. Have you ever bought a stock because everyone was talking about it, only to regret it later? Mistake 3. Ignoring diversification. 1. Why it's a mistake. Putting all your money in one stock or sector increases risk. A single market crash can wipe out your entire portfolio. 2. How to avoid it. Diversify your investments across different industries. Consider ETFs and index funds for broader exposure. Is your portfolio well diversified, or are you taking unnecessary risks? Mistake 4. Trying to time the market. 1. Why it's a mistake. Even expert investors fail to predict market movements accurately. Trying to buy at the lowest and sell at the highest leads to missed opportunities. 2. How to avoid it. Focus on long-term investing rather than short-term speculation. Use dollar-cost averaging to reduce risk. Do you believe in timing the market, or are you in it for the long haul? Mistake 5. Not having an exit strategy. 1. Why it's a mistake. Many investors hold onto losing stocks for too long, hoping for a rebound. Others sell winning stocks too early out of fear. 2. How to avoid it. Set a clear exit strategy for both gains and losses. Use stop-loss orders to protect your portfolio. Do you have a sell strategy, or are you just holding on and hoping for the best? Mistake 6. Letting emotions control decisions. 1. Why it's a mistake. Fear and greed often lead to impulsive decisions. Emotional trading results in panic selling and overtrading. 2. How to avoid it. Stick to your investment strategy regardless of market noise. Use automation to remove emotions from decision-making. Have you ever let emotions control your investing decisions? Mistake 7. Overtrading and paying too many fees. 1. Why it's a mistake. Frequent buying and selling lead to higher transaction costs. Overtrading can also trigger capital gains taxes. 2. How to avoid it. Invest with a long-term mindset. Choose commission-free brokers and low-fee ETFs. Are you investing for the long term, or are you trading too often? Mistake 8. Ignoring dividends and passive income. 1. Why it's a mistake. Many investors focus only on stock price appreciation. They miss out on the power of reinvesting dividends. 2. How to avoid it. Invest in strong dividend-paying stocks. Reinvest dividends for compound growth. Do you prefer dividend stocks, or are you chasing only high-growth stocks? Mistake 9. Not keeping up with market and economic trends. 1. Why it's a mistake. Lack of knowledge can lead to poor investment decisions. Economic changes and interest rate hikes impact the stock market. 2. How to avoid it. Stay informed about market trends and economic indicators. Read financial news and follow reliable sources. How often do you check market news before making investment decisions? Mistake 10. Not being patient. 1. Why it's a mistake. Many investors expect overnight success. They panic when they don't see immediate returns and sell too soon. 2. How to avoid it. Understand that investing is a long-term game. Stay patient and trust in the power of compounding. Are you in it for the long run, or Or do you expect quick profits? Avoiding these 10 mistakes can be the difference between financial success and failure in the stock market. The key is to have a solid plan, stay disciplined, and think long-term. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to Investosphere for more investing insights. Comment below and let me know what's the biggest mistake you've ever made in the stock market. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy investing!